Hello, Jen.
Hello.
What are we going to do today?
Today I will take you to see a special equipment.
Okay, let's go.
This is the 2010 self-aligning electric lifting welding rotator.
What's the max loading capacity?
The maximum loading capacity is 20 tons.
What's the diameter of workpieces can it handle?
It is suitable for cylindrical workpieces diameters with 400 mm to 30 to 100 mm.
What are the features of this rotator?
It uses an electric screw lifting system with a lifting stroke of 650 mm. This machine supports both weld and welder's remote control, providing more flexible and convenient operation. Both sides can be lifted synchronously, and each side can also be controlled independently according to requirements.
Where is it mainly used?
It's mainly used for welding tanks, pressure vessels, pipes, and other cylindrical pieces. It improves welding efficiency and makes the welding process more stable and convenient. Now let me show you the actual operation.